Vertical isolation might also have limited the spread of invasive plants.
Hands-on. Edit your first video. The first series of exercise walks you through editing a simple video. You will get hands-on experience using the principal feature of Premiere Pro. Because you are going to make changes to the project file, you'll start by saving a new version. Then, to enjoy the steps described here, match your screen. You will reset the user interface of the Premiere Pro to its default configuration. After that, you will learn about the main editing tools and user interface features in the Premiere Pro. 1. With Lesson 01 PRPROJ, open in Premiere Pro, choose File, Save As. Save a copy of the project with the name Lesson 01 working.prproj.2. 2. Choose Window, Workspaces. Editing to make sure the editing workplace is selected. C. Exploring workspaces for more information on workspaces. 3. Choose Window, Workspaces. Reset to save the layout to the reset the workspaces to the default setting. This project contains a number of video clips. Some have already been edited into the sequence in the timeline panel. For more information about panels, see Exploring Workspaces. Note: unlike other panels, the timeline panels does not include its own name in its heading. Instead, the name of the current sequence is shown. In this case, it's Desert Montage. Yes, look at the picture, please. Let's add some more clips to the sequence. 4. Along the top edge of the timeline panel, named Desert Montage, in this project, you'll see a horizontal bar with a series of numbers. Connected to that bar, you'll see a blue playhead control. This works the same ways as the playhead when viewing video files in the player. 5. Drag the playhead to the far left of the timeline panel. 6. Press the spacebar to play the current sequence. The program monitor, top right corner of the Premiere Pro interface, displays the contents of the sequence. In the lower left corner of the Premiere Pro interface, you will find the project panel, which contains clips and other assets associated with the current project. The panel name includes the current project name, Project Lesson 01 Working. I see. The lower left corner of the project panel holds a series of buttons that you use to select different ways of viewing the contents of the panel. I see. 7. Click icon view if it's not selected. Icon view makes it easier to identify clips based on their contents. 8. Drag the clip with the name 0001JD MP4 from the project panel into the existing sequence. Be sure to drag it by the thumbnail image and not the clip name. 9. Release a new clip at the end of the existing series of the clips already in the timeline panel. If you line up the new clip with the existing clip, you will notice a new clip jumps into the position exactly aligning with the end of the existence of clip. 10. Scroll down in the project panel and find several more clips of your choice to add to the sequence. Drag each one into the sequence. At any time, you can position the timeline playhead at the beginning of the sequence, as at its left end, and use the space bar to start and stop playback. 11. when you have finished editing, when you finished adding several clips to the sequence, play through it to see the result. You can place the timeline playhead anywhere and play from that moment. There is one item you will not be able to drag from the project panel into the sequence itself, called Desired Montage. The project panel contains both clips and sequences. You can have as many sequences as you like in the project, and they are identifiable by the icon in the lower right corner of the clip thumbnail, which shows multiple clips combined. Congratulations, you edited a sequence. Yes.
One of the most surprising findings was that the colon developed not only intestinal villi, but also small lymph ducts inside the villi, a hallmark of small intestine.
Other than lymph ducts and villi, the small intestinalized colons also seem to actually work like a regular small intestine. They even contract it to digest food. And that is something that could only happen